Hey guys, it's James. Here's a little flip tip about buying properties sight unseen, whether it's at a foreclosure auction or sometimes wholesale contracts. They're saying, hey, you got a bid and you can't walk through. So how do you protect yourself from unexpected change orders and budget busters? So this property here was actually advertised as vacant land and I was not able to access it because it's stacked full of garbage about 9 feet to the ceilings in there. You really can't walk through. Make sure you check out our YouTube channel at ProjectRE. We're gonna be doing full highlights and updates on this. But how do we protect ourselves? We over budgeted for this property. We just added in contingency after contingency. We assumed the worst on everything. All mechanicals need to be replaced, everything needed to be ripped out. In addition to, we added a 20% contingency in there just to cover the extras. So by padding your pro forma, then what you can do is you can really mitigate the risk at that point. So if you can't see it, pad, pad, pad. Also reduce your ARV a little bit because you also don't know what the floor plan is. So as long as you're making up for it in those two sections, you will be safe.